So this is the PureClean Smart Robot Vacuum. I'm gonna say off top, I really love this vacuum. This is my favorite new tech of 2017. Now, this vacuum has a lot of features to it, so you could pause it and read for yourself, but there's a lot. It truly is a smart robot vacuum. Now inside the box is the vacuum itself, charging station, remote control. They have mopping attachments. They have extra broom sweep and the power adapter. So the top of the remote control is the home button. You press that, and wherever the smart vac is located, it will go back to its charging base. Below that are the directional pads. Now these up, down, right, left, that manually traverse whatever direction you want your smart vacuum to go. Now in the middle is the clean button. The clean button basically means on and off. And on the bottom left is the schedule. You can actually schedule the smart vac to clean your house at a certain time. Next button in the middle, that is like a stain area that you want the smart vac to concentrate on. And on the last to the right is the track. In other words, it goes like in a square, make a square direction to clean a certain area. Next is the on and off switch. Now this is the display screen. There's 4 main buttons. There's clean, which basically means on and off, just like on the remote control. Next is plan, which means you want to set up a schedule. Like for example, you're going away for the weekend and you want the vacuum to run at a certain time. You can actually program it. And next is home. That's you press that, and the smart vac will actually go back to its charging base. And the last one is spot. You press that when there's something you need to clean up. You need the smart vac to concentrate on a certain area, and that's what those 4 main buttons control. Now underneath the vacuum is they have 3 wheels. They have the nozzle, the suction that collects the dirt, and they have 2 brushes that sweeps dirt or debris inside the vacuum. Now this smart vac doesn't take plastic bags or paper bags. In fact, it just has a plastic box that collects dirt and debris. You just simply take it out, dump it, place it back in, and that's it. It also have a filter underneath it that you can pull out and clean and put it back in. Actually in the box they actually have a replacement for the filter, but whenever it gets too dirty, you can easily just clean it and place it back in. So let's see how my favorite tech of 2017 works. So I'm basically pressing clean button twice. 1 to wake it up and 2 for it to activate. And there it goes. At this point I am not using remote control. I'm just letting it run automatic. As you see, as it gets to a wall, it stops. It knows to stop. It sees the legs of my ladder, and it knows how to get out any kind of tight jam. Now this is awesome. It actually could go underneath cabinets. It could go underneath sofa, chairs, whatever. Anything you may not get under with the actual broom, this little device can. yes, it works on carpet too. I read some reviewers of other products, and they said the products, smart vac they own, it don't work too well on a carpet. However, this product here works fantastic on carpet. Now I want to stick my foot out to only show that, the smart vac would do its best to avoid any kind of obstruction. Now just press the home button. So now it will navigate and find its way back to the charging base. Now this is all happening by itself. I am not controlling it.